So today on the Chris and Teena Johnson project, I'm going to cut down a large tree. So today on the Chris and Teena Johnson project, I'm going to cut down a large tree. I'm nervous about it. I've watched videos on how to do it. I'm pretty sure it's not going to hit nothing, but that's not my main concern. I just don't want it to fall on me. I'm going to video this. This is the tree I'm going to be cutting down. It won't hit my house because I've got a rope on it tied with a come along right here. I'm trying to protect my palm tree right here. Woo! So I got these stacks of wood to protect that.
Wow.
But the main thing is my life and my safety. So I've watched a lot of videos on how to do this.
Look for electrical hazards first and foremost.
And this is the biggest tree I've ever cut down. Woo! Well, no, I did cut one a little bit bigger than this. It's always a nervous thing. It's dangerous. I have prayed and I asked God to protect me, and He is our protector. So this is me cutting down the tree. So one thing you're going to need when you're cutting is you need some safety glasses. I'm trying to put them on top of my reading glasses. So you need safety glasses. You need earplugs.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
And you need a pair of good leather gloves. These are my gloves. One thing you always need when you're cutting a tree is you need an escape route. So I have an escape route. It's cleared out pretty much everywhere around this tree. So anyway, here we go. So there's my notch. As you can see, the tree's not rotten. So this is a textbook notch in a tree. This is exactly how it's supposed to look. I mean, it's even on both sides and it's straight. So, and I've went about halfway. So you can see my notch. I think it's big enough. I wish I would have went a little bit bigger. But you can see this is straight. Angled. I didn't go past it here, and on this side I did. That tree's gonna kind of go to the length of the way I've got it, so I'm nervous about this, very much so.
Can you tell me what you're doing here?
Well, I'm cutting my notch, and now I'm cutting the back of the tree.
What's that for?
So the tree will fall. It's not going to fall until that back cut's made. You want to cut it straight and horizontal to the ground. And you want to go right in to that notch you cut. So I walked over to my come along and I put a little tension on the tree. Not too much. You just want to make sure it falls in that direction. My chainsaw ran out of gas. So I walked over to my come along and I put a little tension on the tree. Not too much. You just want to make sure it falls in that direction. I put tension on my come along. I know this is probably going to fall in the right space, but I just wanted to make sure it does. You know, we got a west wind, so not real happy about cutting this tree, but I've been putting this off for a couple years. So I got my notch, my chainsaw ran out of gas, I put gas in it. I'm gonna finish this up. So there's my notch, there's my cut in the back.
Hey baby, what were you doing right here? That looks so dangerous.
Okay, so the proper way to crank a chainsaw is put it on the ground and hold it with your foot and then pull it.
You could have cut yourself right here. Look. That is so scary.
Yeah, it wasn't the smartest thing to do. That was cool. Can you do it again?
Okay, repeat it.
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
He's down. So, what I was worried about is everything worked out good. I prayed about it. I asked for safety from the Lord, and He heard my prayer, because it didn't hit nothing. It didn't even come close to my palm tree, so. And I got plenty of wood. So I hope I showed you a little bit about cutting a tree down. I didn't wear a hard hat because I don't have one, but I should have had a hard hat on. That's a big stump. That's it right there. Fell exactly like I wanted it to. Fell exactly like I wanted it to.